Hello guys, so welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the lighting of this living room over here. So let's just render it once and see. So what I'll be doing over here is like, let's render it once. Alright, so we have added some lights over here. So again I'll go to this top view over here and I will take one more light and I'll just place it right over here. So I'll just select this light and I'll go into this. So let's just pick the light. I'll go into this. Let's add a V-Ray shadow. Uniform diffuse. And I'll go down, or I'll go into this and I'll reduce its multiplier slightly. So again I'll go into this and I'll render this. Let's render it. It's too high. So I'll go into this and I'll reduce it more. Still the light is high. Okay, this looks a bit better. Slightly we can just add more light. Again I'll render it. So let's select this lights. Let's select this lights and I'll slightly increase the multiplier. So we'll again and see now. Yeah, looks better. Now again I'll go over here. Let's select this lights. We do have this atmosphere and effects. If you want to add a volume light, I can slightly add a volume light as well over here. So we can pick light. I can just pick the light. We can add some fog color. And we do have this density and you can try to render this. So as you can see, when you render it, so I can just go into this and I'll reduce the density to 0.5 and again I'll render it. Zero 0.05 and let's render this. Looks a bit better now. I can slightly go over here, push the light a bit up, push the light a bit up, so we can slightly shuffle this lights and again render it once. So what I'll do is I'll again render it. doesn't look good. Slightly shuffle it up and down. So we have just added a volume light to check how it looks like. So what I'll do is I'll just delete the volume light. Now again I'll select the light and I'll make a copy of it. Let's make a copy of that light. Let's render it once again and see how it's going to look like. Slightly we can increase the intensity of the light. We can go into this. Again, let's go into this. Let's render it once again. Now it looks better. For the walls, if required, again I'll go into the material editor. Let's go into the material editor. If required, we can slightly add some reflections for the floor as well. Slightly you can add some reflections for the floor. So as you can see now let's go into the render settings. Let's go into the render setup. Let's go into the V-Ray and I'll reduce the noise threshold. Subdivisions will keep it. Use local subdivisions, lock noise pattern. Color mapping, keep it as exponential. What was it? That's a Reinhardt. Linear multiply. So we can go with any of the exposure controls. The color mapping. Exponential. So I'll keep it as Reinhardt. Gamma, we do have it. Multiplier, if we increase it, let's render it once again. Oh, that's going to burn it. So let's make it as a bit 3 over here. Okay, it's burning still. So let's make it as 2. Looks better. Still, I'll keep it as 1.3. Much better now. So if we have more and more elements, then it looks good. So we can add some elements if needed, or we can just copy the stuff. So I'll go over here. We can put it in this way. If you want, you can just change over here. I can add something different. So I'll go into this and let's add a UVW map, and we can just fit it, convert to poly. Let's get back over here and render it once again. Alright. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.